Last month, my own computer turned against me. It tried to upload my personal files into Microsoft's OneDrive without my consent. And this wasn't a bug, it was a policy. For me, after working 20 years in tech, that was a glimpse into a terrifying future. Your credentials, your files, your photos, your conversations. Big tech is moving everything into systems that they own, and that is the trend. This video is the story of why I have decided to fight back and build a new digital ecosystem. One where I keep control and guard my personal data, but also without losing a touch of reality. This is day zero of that journey. It's gonna be a series of videos, and I would like to invite you to follow along. I used to think like you probably. This is just convenience. This makes my life easier. I have nothing to hide anyway. What could possibly go wrong? But more than 1 year ago, my Skype account was locked, and for something that it was a mistake on their end, and it took months in order to be able to use it again. But here's the catch, because there was no local backup. So all my business contacts, they were gone. All my conversations, gone. Critical bookmarks that I also relied for work, also gone. They were all stored in the cloud, where the company denied me access. I had to track down my clients, explain the situation, and rebuild everything from scratch. That should have been my wake-up call, but I told myself that it was just a one-time thing. Then I installed Windows 11 Enterprise, supposedly the secure business version, and I changed my profile picture. Just one simple click. Suddenly now, my Microsoft account was connected to everything, syncing to their servers without even asking. And then came the OneDrive incident that I mentioned. I realized that this isn't a bug in the system, this is the system. The big tech trying to keep everyone under control in order to change a human being into a predictable and monetizable asset. Your data profile, your digital persona, if you say, a collection of every click, every like, every private conversation, and every location you have ever been. And they give you the illusion of choice: iPhone or Android, Windows or Mac, Facebook or X. You are simply choosing the color of your cage, and they all lead to the same place: a locked-in environment where the limited and restricted solutions are the only option, an environment where you have no ultimate control and no real ownership anymore. Now, this also doesn't mean becoming something like a digital monk. I'm not gonna throw my iPhone into the ocean, for example. Living as an expat in Thailand, I need my smartphone. Banking, communications with the locals, moving money international, ordering essentials, these aren't optional. We have long passed the point that you could live without a smartphone. Unless, of course, you are ready to become completely disconnected for modern society. Here's the difference. I'm choosing to draw the line. My aim is to minimize data leakage, protect my privacy, and avoid lock-in, where the choice becomes irreversible. Some battles you can't win, but you can choose which ones to fight. In my first battle, my own desktop, that Windows 11 moment was actually my own breaking point. The decision to leave is easy. The hard part is choosing where to go. In the next video, we will take the first and most important step into this journey. It's the philosophy of the choice, how to select the foundation for your new digital life, and why my decision wasn't about features, but about freedom. So if you're ready to take the first step towards digital freedom and independence, make sure you are subscribed, because that choice is coming next. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.